What's going on, traders? What happened in the market today? It's very simple. If you are part of the bull ring, you understand what this is here. This is the PCE chart, guys, put to call ratio. Okay. If this graph or line goes up towards the 1.0 line or level, that means that we're buying lots of puts. Okay. Today, well, let me step back. If it goes down, that means that they're buying lots of calls. So today it went up on puts and then just went across put call, put call, put call. So just imagine why this was chopping. Okay. Now, when it went up, okay, you're buying lots of puts. So when you're buying lots of puts, the market makers are going to drive the price up. So when you see this going up, go compare it to the price of SPY. You're going to find that SPY is going to go up. So you should have bought a call instead. This helps you as an indicator if you want to use it. All right, as far as trading goes, guys, today, if you play on the 5-minute, you had no trades. Okay. That's the way the clouds work. You have no trades. If you're a 5-minute trader, the cloud didn't flip down. As a matter of fact, the cloud just kept going up and up and up. Okay. If you are a 2-minute trader like myself and some of the folks in the bull ring today, you would have found that we had one trade here. Okay. And another trade right in there, guys. And let's measure that trade that we had here, guys. It went about $1.40. Today was a tough day, so don't worry about it. One of the things I always preach is you're gonna have more entries. Okay, today was a chop day, and the reason they chopped this, okay, is because they want people who bought puts and calls days before, especially if you bought them on Friday for Monday. They're trying to get you out of it. They want to burn those premiums, and they always do a good job. And sure enough, they did. People got out. Okay, no big deal. Tomorrow's another day. All right, I got to show you guys AMC. They have earnings today. Okay, I was very surprised to hear they have earnings. I thought this company went out of business. I'm just kidding. But you can see here in the cloud, guys, 336 was the entry for short, and it's currently at 327 and falling. You can see those little specks there. When you can't see the data, just switch over to Heikin-Ashi and you'll see what's going on with the stock. Okay, the bad part about this stock, because it looks like the company's actually doing well on their last earnings. They did well, and they just keep getting shorted and shorted and shorted. Look at that. I mean, they're not getting a break, guys. Okay, so that's what happens in the stock market for whatever reason. Okay, people are shorting the stock. Well, let's see what happens in the aftermarket. I know they're making money. Hopefully people that are holding these shares bought some calls so they can start getting some of your money back. All right, I'm leaving the Heikin-Ashi on, and you can see Nvidia. Okay, our cloud flip at around 851, 850. Okay, I am long Nvidia. Okay, I jumped in today. Why? Because charts don't lie. I'll break it down quickly for you guys on the regular candles. We do have Nvidia is doing one thing that a lot of folks who are new, who have not taken my courses and like to lose money, go ahead, keep losing money. But if you took my courses, you understand that they have support here. They found another support area there. They found support. You guys get what I'm going at here? That's right. Higher lows. That's very bullish. We also have higher highs, guys. Okay. And look at that. You stay here and I'll take the other one. Okay, here we go. All right, so look at all this support it's building. It's just getting super bullish like in the past. We are here now. Okay, now here's the best part. It beat resistance right in there. Okay, so I'm going to mark that off. Resistance, and we have a nice little bull run going on. You have another area that's going to be resistance at 924. If history serves us correctly, they're going to blow through that in the morning, and then they will challenge 966, 970 area. Okay, they have earnings in 2 weeks. Okay, they're going for it, and that earnings is going to just blow up because these guys can't keep up. They keep doing interviews and they say we just have so many orders. They're starting to backlog a lot of people's stuff, so that means that they're going to make a boatload of money. Okay, so I'm in. I'm not telling you what to do, but if it was me, I would consider a long. Okay, look at all this support that's already built, guys. Nvidia is going to monster through again. Another one that you can consider as well. That's right, it's SMCI. So they are looking a little bit better now than after earnings. Now let's draw this out so you understand what they're doing. Okay, this is their resistance line. They poked their head one time right in this area. Okay, check that out. Right in here, they try to poke out. If you were in my courses, you would see what I see, but since some of you are not, it's okay. I'm gonna leave you a coupon. You guys can sign up. I'm gonna move this arrow over, guys. Okay, so let's look at these labels on the site. $830 with 35 cents. The blue label, that's the actual price. 839.84 is the top of the cloud, and we are almost over it. Look at that. 801 is the bottom of the cloud. So that means that we are going to be above this. And what does that mean? That means that Coach is going to wait for that. That's my first sign once we get over the 839. And then I want to see them break this 898. 898, and you're going to have a nice little bull run on your hand. Okay, now let's check out the 30 minutes. So whenever you can't get an answer on the big charts, go to a lower time frame and look at that. See that? That is a very nice run up. Okay, they're not stopping. They've got 859 to contend with up here, and then they make a challenge for the belt again. They're going to go for it. Okay, so if you want to play SMCI, keep that in mind. Okay, I want to show you guys Tesla, because Tesla today was just seesawing, didn't know what it wanted to do, but it's still in an uptrend. It's still above the 200 on the 30 minute, which is not bad. I think the market's going to keep going up. Okay, I could be wrong. We could fall for whatever reason. There's no news this week. There's news on the calendar. They're all nothing burgers. Okay, I'll repeat that. It's all nothing burgers. You do have earnings on lots of big companies this week. They're not tech, but you're going to have some reaction, and I think the market is going to rally around there. Okay, if you want to learn how to get into some long calls and how to hedge them so you don't have too much risk, guys, sign up for my courses. You'll be in my room. I'll coach you one-on-one, and we'll make some money together. Okay, like I told you this weekend, okay, the indicator price went up. Okay, but I'm going to leave you guys a code below to give you a discount. Okay, you need to grab the indicator. You need to know this stuff. You can't be blind. I'm going to show you what it looks like to be blind in the stock market. All right, this is what SPY looks like on the 5 minute. Now, in the comments below, you tell me when you would have got into SPY. Okay, when you're watching this ticker, guys, if you don't know what it's doing, if it's going up or down, the only thing that would help you here is that a candle turn red, a candle turn green. Don't be blind. For a small price, you can get an indicator that tells you the direction, and that can tell you when to get out, okay, when to get back in. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right. And as always, guys, thank you very much for subscribing, for sharing the channel. It's helping out tremendously. Please continue. Share it out to your team, your family, your friends. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, okay, if you didn't find the code, send me a DM. I'm leaving my phone number down there. You can send me a text. I'll text you right back and let you know anything you need to know with stocks, with the codes, with the specials, or even if you have a question on the indicator, guys. Okay. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.